Okay, welcome you all in MMK Study Center. Okay, today we'll continue standard 9th lesson, Maths 2. Okay, same lesson. Lesson number 1, basic concepts in geometry. Let us start today. Question number 4. On a number line, points A, B, C are such that distance AC is 10, CB is 8, and we have to find out the AB. Plus it is told that find out, consider all the possibility. Here all possibility means you have to consider the all betweenness. Okay, means first of all we'll keep B between, then we'll take the C between, and then we'll put the A in between. So first here we have the three cases. So let us see the case 1. In case 1 we will take the betweenness A dash B dash C, means here B is between the AC. So according to this, how we will write? Distance AC is equal to distance AB and AB plus BC. Okay, so I will write distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. So here AC is given 10, so we will write below the AC 10. AB is not given, so AB will remain as it is, whereas BC is 8. So we have to write BC 8. BC and AC is same, children. Okay. So now we'll bring the 8 at left hand side. So 10 minus 8 we will write is equal to distance AB will remain as it is. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and distance AB as it is. So we got distance AB is equal to 2 units. Okay. So here first case we got distance AB is 2 units. Okay. We will continue case 2, children. So case 2, we will bring the C between the AB. So our betweenness is A dash C dash B. Okay. So according to that we will write distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance BC. I will write distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance CB. Okay. So here distance AB is not given, so that will remain as it is, whereas AC is 10 and CB is 8. So 10 plus 8, that we will get 18. So here we got distance AB is equal to 18. Now we'll continue the case 3. In case 3 we'll keep now A in between. So your betweenness will be A dash B dash A dash C. What will be your betweenness? A dash B dash C. So according to that, I will write down the distance. Distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC. Okay. So how it will come? Distance BC. BC is nothing but CB is equal to distance AB plus distance AC, children. Okay. So BC means CB is given 8, AB is not given, and AC is given 10. So we'll put the values. But when you will bring the 10 at left hand side, it will be 8 minus 10, children. Okay, because 10 is coming from the right to left. So you will get here distance AB is minus 2. But keep in mind, children, distance never have minus sign. We cannot write the distance in minus. And that's why distance AB is equal to minus 2. Okay, is not negative, because distance between the 2 points cannot be negative. Okay, and that's why betweenness B dash A dash C is not possible. Okay, so what are the values of AB? So there will be only 2 values for AB, that is distance AB is equal to 2 units or distance AB is equal to 18 units. Question number 5 is point X, Y, Z are the collinear such that distance XY is 17, distance YZ is 8. We have to find out the XZ. Okay, children, if you observe carefully, here betweenness is not mentioned. Means X dash Y dash Z is not mentioned. In such a cases, we have to show the all three possibilities like previous sum. Okay, previous sum is like question number 4. Okay, so here I will ask you to solve this sum with the help of the question number 4. Okay, it is same, only the alphabet will change and then the numbers will change. Okay, find the answers and let me know what you are getting. Yes. Okay, question number 6. Sketch the proper figure and write the answer of the following questions. Okay, so first question, betweenness is given a dash b dash c. AC is given 11, BC is given 6.5. We have to find out AB children. Okay, so let us draw first solution, first figure in solution. So this is your figure. Okay, because question told sketch the proper figure. So you have to show the proper betweenness A dash B dash C. We have to take one number line and in that we have to take these 3 points. Okay, it is not necessary we have to take the equal distance like number line. Okay, we can place the points and show the number, show the points below that. Okay, now here according to this figure, how we will find out AC is nothing but AB plus BC. See children, AC is nothing but AB plus BC. So here betweenness is given to us A dash B dash C in question directly given. So we'll take that and we'll write the reason given. Now according to this betweenness, we'll write length AC is equal to length AB plus length BC. Okay, see the figure children. AC how you will get? By adding the AB and BC. Okay, so we'll put the values. AC is given 11, AB is not given, and BC is given 6.5. Okay, again these values are given to us and that's why we are writing here word given. Now next again here 11 we can write as 11.0. Yes, and 6.5 is plus. When you will bring at left hand side it will become minus. So 11.0 minus 6.5 is equal to length AB. So while doing the subtraction children, place the decimal below the decimal. Okay, place the decimal one below another and do the subtraction. So you will get the answer 4.5. So length AB will get 4.5 children. Okay, so length AB is 4.5 units. Do not forget to write units. Question 2. So question 2, x, y, z means betweenness is given. A y is between the xz. Length xz is given 3 root 7. Length xy is given root 7. We have to find out the length yz. So here is your sketch first because question was sketch it first. So take a number line, on that take the 3 points and place it in proper order x, y, z. Okay, on the basis of this question is given to us already in question, that is x, y, z means y is between the xz. So betweenness x dash y dash z. So on the basis of how we will write children, xz is nothing but xz is equal to xy plus yz. How we will write? Xz is equal to xy plus yz. Okay, now we'll put the values children. So xz is given to us 3 root 7. Xy is given root 7, whereas length yz is as it is. Okay, we'll bring the root 7 at left hand side, so it will become minus. So 3 root 7 and here root 7 means 1 root 7. So 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7, 3 minus 1, 2. So answer you will get 2 root 7. Getting children? 3 root 7 minus root 7 means here minus root 7 is nothing but the 1 root 7 is there. Okay, so 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7 is equal to 2 root 7. So therefore you are getting length yz is equal to 2 root 7 children. Okay. Okay, question number 7. which figure is formed by three non-collinear points. Okay, so here three non-collinear points are given. Let us draw and find out which figure will form. So a triangle will form. Let us see how. We'll draw the first line, second line and third line. In this way, a triangle is formed by joining the three non-collinear points, children. Is it clear? Yes, now it is our favorite part. Yes, homework. So let us see the question number 1. Sketch the proper figure and write the answer of the following questions. Means you have to draw the figure and then find out the answer. In that first sub question, yes, RST is given. Okay, ST and RS is given. We have to find out the RT. Betweenness is given, R dash S dash T. So question number 2, again RST is given, okay, but the values are different. ST is now 3.7 and RS is now 2.5. And again we have to find out the RT. Main question 2, which figure is formed by three collinear points? Okay, which figure is formed by three collinear points? Think, student, think. Yes, think and solve and send me the answers. Thank you, children. Okay. Do not forget to subscribe and like. If any doubt is there, call me on this number. Bye bye, children. Take care.